Tired of being stuck with the same boring car system? The AutoCast P3 Android AI box instantly transforms your ride into a smart entertainment hub with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. No more plugging in your phone every time you drive. Enjoy true wireless freedom. Stream YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus, or any of your favorite apps directly on your car screen, just like a smart TV on wheels. Long road trips become fun and engaging with endless shows, movies, and music at your fingertips. The built-in HDMI out lets you connect to bigger screens, making it perfect for camping, travel, or even family movie nights in the car. Frustrated with laggy or complicated setups? The AutoCast P3 is designed for smooth performance, fast boot up, and effortless connection every time. It's compact, easy to install, and works with almost all modern cars. Just plug it into your car's USB port and you're ready to go. Stop wasting money on expensive head unit upgrades when this device gives you more features at a fraction of the cost. Strong performance, sleek design, and massive compatibility make it a perfect car accessory for anyone who loves convenience and entertainment. Whether you want to keep kids entertained, make your daily commute more enjoyable, or impress passengers with a high-tech upgrade, this device delivers. It's also one of the best gift ideas for men who love cars, gadgets, and new tech. Give the gift of smarter driving and non-stop entertainment with the AutoCast P3 Android AI box. Upgrade your car today and experience driving like never before. Product link in comments.